YS Technology is a company that has a leading position in Turkey and the international Sunday. Founded in Mersin by Mr. Yücel with more than 30 years of experience, the company provides added value to the sector by offering a wide range of products such as cleaning, screening, classification, color separation and packaging machines in the pulses, spices, cereals, fertilizers, plastics and seeds sectors. YS Technology's product range plays an important role in the process from harvest to table. Our company is known for its special machines such as 4-layer vibro, double vibro, air course cleaning sieve, which are used for post-harvest processing of agricultural products and sorting according to quality. In addition, it makes customers' products ready for the end consumer with packaging and bagging machines. YS Technology continues its perfectionist approach in production processes. In this context, it aims to increase the business continuity and efficiency of its customers by providing spare parts supply, second-hand machine maintenance, and assembly services. The company, which prioritizes customer satisfaction, consolidates its leading position in the sector by developing solutions specific to each customer. YS Technology has been providing services based on customer satisfaction since the day it was founded. By being in close communication with each customer, it understands their needs and expectations and produces appropriate solutions. It is constantly developing innovative approaches to increase the efficiency in the business processes of its customers and to provide a competitive advantage. YS Technology, our vision is to provide the highest quality products and services to our customers by maintaining our leading position in the sector. We are constantly working to meet and exceed the requirements of our customers in business processes with our open attitude to innovations and investments in technology. We continue our goal of becoming a globally recognized brand by expanding our influence in the sector in the future as well. YS Technology also has a wide area of expertise in the field of electricity and automation. Machinery and facilities are managed by expert teams for the most efficient operation of the systems. Project consultancy, equipment selection, automation software, system installation, documentation and training services are provided. The company provides efficiency and reliability in industrial processes by providing customized automation solutions to its customers. As YS Technology, we aim to be a partner to the success stories of our customers with our strong infrastructure, experienced staff and customer-oriented approach. By cooperating with our valued customers, we are here to increase the efficiency of your business processes and contribute to sustainable growth. YS Technology is the right address for energy efficient, high capacity, and high quality products. We are waiting for everyone for coffee.